in Osama City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Secretary. Out of 11 members of Sanggunian, there are 9 present this morning, so I declare our electoral regular session October 6, 2025 in quorum. Any motion for the approval of the order of business of today's session?
Mr. Chair,
Recognize the Honorable Joel Bujungan.
okay, good morning everyone. I move for the approval of the order of business on this 12th regular session October 6, 2025 with the insertion of the letter of complaint of our designated supervisor of law enforcement, traffic enforcement, Mr. Aristarco Tagupa, against Joy Dawalagan, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Bujungan. There's a pending motion. Any motion?
Speaker,
Motion is seconded by Honorable Balais. Motion is hereby approved. Next, any motion approval of the previous minutes dated September 29, 2025. Recognize Honorable Giselle Sumaba.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning, everyone. I move for the approval of the previous minutes dated September 29, 2025 without any correction and dispense its reading.
Moved by Honorable Sumaba, seconded by Honorable Idosma, Honorable Balais. Any remarks? None. Motion of Honorable Sumaba is hereby approved. Privilege out. Any member?
Mr. Chair.
Recognize Honorable Marites Winston.
Thank you, Mr. Chair, and good morning, everyone. Ako lang ipaabot no, ang ato ang kahitang karon diri sa atong kadagatan. Labi na aning mga nanghihimo dia o mga panagatan structures like piscages nga nasubra na sa ato ang ordinansa, nasubra na sa pambalaod diri. Ay sa kapamilya nga magtukod o napulo. Kayon, dili po dito sila, i-finance pa dito sa tagalaing lugar, which is may pag-iuban nagtunong, naiuban nagtulong nga, walang galit permit. So, naatay kong dito nga ordinansa, ato alam ang tani nga matagal mag-penalize yun, unsay patuman yun, unsay atong ordinansa. Kaya kini atong sibuhat, agi o pagprotekta sa ato ang kadagatan. Ato yung itungo og tuyo para sa kapuhalahan, sa kapuhulahan natong mga lungsuranon na may makapanagat din na. Ay ana no dili tama. Pura ba o dili ma-occupy sa laing mga tao. Ana is ang atong kadagatan is ipreparar yun nato para sa atong kaigsuonang mananagat diri sa lungsod sa Tudela. Usab pod kaning pila ka tuig nila nga wala na gyud pag-atiman bayad gani og buhis kayo nanaghan pahinuon ang ilahang mga panagatan masupak yun kayo sa balaod nga atong ako lang yayo Mr. Chair uban sa ato ang implementor no ang executive department nga unta makorrekted yun o matarong yun ang ato adihang lugar. Ora na Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Marites Winston sa imong concern in line sa ito ang postal na concern no? Sa ito ang kadagatan within the area sa Tudela. So, any member?
Chair.
Recognize Honorable Giselle Sumaba.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Proceed.
Same sentiment, Mr. Chair. In addition, with the privileged message of our Honorable Marites Winston, I would like to add something, Mr. Chair, that those na nagtukod dito karon, Mr. Chair, unfortunately, pag-check namo sa record, only 6 owners na nakabayad since 2024 and 2025. So, nganong dili man nato na siya makatrabaho with dito sa mga naka-designated, Mr. Chair ba, diba? Na may naka-designate, especially, I don't know, sa agriculture man siguro ang nakatanawa na. So, dapat, Mr. Chair, ikaw na yun din na, i-implement yun din ang dapat nila i-implement. So, kung mga lalubra din na, basi makahatag notice nila, ASAP na for guba na ba? Kaya outside naman sa iyang quad, plus permit, penalize, di ba, na dito sa ordinance dito, if ikatulong nga offense, wala na siya. So, ato na siguro nang ipa-implement, Mr. Chair, kaya dili magud na siya mahitabo karon. Magkadugang-dugang na siya din. Samo pod lang taon, especially nga mag-soft opening na ang diri sa Amurat, Mr. Chair. So, na-brought up pod na last time nga if mag-soft opening na or mag-open na gyud si Amurat din ha, muagi gyud nasa Amurat island hopping ba mahitabo, Mr. Chair. Muagi sa atong kadagatan in which hugaw na ng tao sa atong area. So, dili kaya siya makapadani o mga turista na muagi aning dapitan. So, murag kita'y mamaot ang panagway din dapitan. So, ato na pagitaan siguro pamaagi, Mr. Chair, na ma-implement yun ang mga ma-implement, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Sumabat. With that concern, Honorable Marites, Honorable Sumabat, siguro, again, committee meeting with the Committee on Agriculture at sa mga committee sa Economic Enterprise kay in line man sa wapo nagbayad kay business in line man sa negosyo. So maybe this karong semana maka-pull mo o committee para ato ni ipatawag treasury ang ato ang MAU and then kanang yung mga direct na concern nga wala nagtupo diha na wala yung mga permit and then occupy o pila pa mo na dapat ang i-allow 2 to 3 rand Honorable Mr. So ako nang itahan sa inyong mga committee Honorable Mr. Honorable. So in proceed reference business we acknowledge the arrival of Honorable Samuel Provino III.
Reference of business, proposed ordinance. Letter A, proposed municipal ordinance number 25-02, sponsored by Honorable Tito White Jr. And ordinance requiring national, regional, and local agencies to conduct a courtesy call with the local government unit prior to the implementation of projects and programs within the municipality of Tudela, Misamis Occidental.
Any motion? Any motion?
Mr. Chair,
Recognize Honorable Sumabat.
proposed municipal ordinance number 25-02, sponsored by Honorable Rosito White Apo Jr. and ordinance requiring national, regional, and local agencies to conduct a courtesy call with the local government unit prior to the implementation of projects and programs within the municipality of Tudela, Misamis Occidental. I move for first reading, Mr. Chair.
To committee level. Committee on Laws and Committee on Finances.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Sumamba. I Jules Candel by Honorable Mixdon, motion is served by
Mr. Chair,
I recognize remarks of Honorable
sa
Ilusma
committee on committee. Committee.
by Wednesday siguro.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. And also sa reporter, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Wednesday.
Morning or afternoon?
Morning na.
Sige, morning lang.
Morning. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Ilusma. Petitions or requests?
Petitions to request A, letter from Jose Alfonso P. Encinaria, the Sangguniang Bayan Secretary, dated October 3, 2025. Requesting the Sangguniang Bayan members for a resolution approving the realignment of funds from BMSD office, telephone expenses to other in OOE amounting 140,000 to accommodate the pending request for barangay financial assistance from GAP. Letter B, letter from the Municipal Mayor, Stella Austanio, dated October 3, 2025 to wit, 1. Requesting for a resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor to enter into a data turnover agreement between the local government unit of Tudela, represented by Municipal Mayor Stella Austanio, and Philippine Statistics Authority, represented by Undersecretary National Statistician and Civil Registrar General Claire Dennis Ismapa, PhD. And letter C, the one that was inserted, letter complaint of Aristarco Tabuca, the traffic management supervisor, against Joy Dumalagan, the barangay Kagawad of Balud, due to resistance and disobedience under of the revised penal code as amended by the Republic Act number 10951.
Item 1, any motion? Kini, urgent na ito nitong kay na ang atong gap is nahurot na, no? Tungod kay para sa masayuran sa tanan, atong gram na contributions before, ato mang gire-align into AX code. So nahurot na siya, and then natay pending karon nga mga request kami from the barangay. Wala na ito mataga-ipas, so kinanglan nga na natay i-realign para ma-ilumine ato mga request sa barangay, pinini ang katong uniforms ato ang mga sa ABC na request. So ini motion,
Mr. Chair,
recognize Honorable Sumaba.
letter from St. Alfonso P. Scenarial, Sangguniang Bayan Secretary, dated October 3, 2025, requesting the Sangguniang Bayan members for resolution approving the realignment of funds from Vice Mayor and SB Office to the expenses of the MOE amounting 140,000 to accommodate the pending request for barangay financial assistance from GAP. I move for first reading, Mr. Chair. And Mr. Chair, joint motion for approval, Mr. Chair.
Joint motion, in remarks, none. Motion Honorable Sumaba to serve by Letter B,
Mr. Chair,
recognize Honorable Mixdon.
I move for a joint resolution with Mr. Chair authorizing the Mayor Estela Espanol to sign an agreement, no? For this Philippine Statistic Authority, represented by the Secretary, National Statistician and Civil Registrar General, Claire Dennis S. Mapa, PhD.
Joint motion, Honorable Mixdon.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
In remarks, none. There's a pending motion, Honorable Mixdon. None. Motion of Honorable Mixdon is hereby approved. Letter C, Honorable Bujungan.
Mr. Chair,
Okay, proceed.
I move for a committee meeting for this regarding with this letter complaint of Mr. Sarko.
Schedule will be on
This coming Wednesday.
Wednesday.
So,
So,
1 o'clock.
invite Honorable Bujungan ang
In the committee.
katong barangay official sa Balon. Invite
Yes.
siya and then invite po ang usa ka personnel coming from PNP para masituloy ang concern. Ha?
Okay, Mr. Chair.
Mobile Honorable Bujungan from first reading to committee level. Any skill motion? Seconded by Honorable Lumbay, Honorable Balaes. Motion is hereby approved for committee level. Okay, Honorable Mixdon.
Okay.
Remarks?
For that's one, Mr. Chair, ba, dapat ato siguro may committee.
Committee level pa.
Committee.
Wednesday, 1 o'clock.
What time?
1 o'clock.
Committee reports. Committee on hold. Honorable Sumama.
Okay, Mr. Chair, ako na lang i-summarize, Mr. Chair.
Proceed, Honorable Sumama.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair, for the...
Okay, before proceed, Honorable Sumama, I to recognize ang pag-abot no, ni Honorable Nilvin lagi. Proceed.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair, for this. During our committee on hold, Mr. Chair, regarding with the agenda of this ordinance number 25-34, so the committee agreed that the sharing system for the IP communities and the barangay will be from the environmental fees, Mr. Chair. So that is from that is around 50% of the environmental fee will go to both parties, Mr. Chair, and the remaining 50% will be to the LGU, Mr. Chair. And then that was agreed last committee meeting, and then we'll just wait for the resolution from the IP community, Mr. Chair, na napatinuod nga they are also amenable with the decision of the committee last committee whole meeting. So kada ito ipaabot from their end, Mr. Chair, and then we'll proceed to the MOA pag na-okay na tanan. And then, so, kato siya, Mr. Chair, for this ordinance number 25-34, I move for second reading, Mr. Chair.
Moved by Honorable Sumaba, duly seconded by Honorable Mixdon from committee level to second reading. In remarks, none, motion is hereby approved. Letter B,
Mr. Chair,
recognize Honorable Lumbay.
good morning everyone. This committee, napahigayon at itong Wednesday, no? Ang committee, all members of the committee, this agree of the committee ordinance of the Arsal during nagdidilit pagbaligya o pag-usip o pagwasak sa yuta ang kabinet sulod sa duling sa duling sa Sutinita, Mr. Chair. I move for public hearing, Mr. Chair.
Schedule.
By one na siguro, Mr. Chair, kung katapusan sa October kay nakoy activity ng mga third week nakoy activity na IP month mura magdoble ang ako ang
Okay, Honorable, moved by Honorable Tani Lumbay from committee level to public hearing. Duly seconded by Honorable Balais. In remarks, none, scheduled committee meeting will be on end of October. Motion is hereby approved. Public hearing. Leader of business.
Business 1, first reading and referral of measures. A, Barangay Resolution number 20, series of 2025-21 proper, resolution reprogramming the 20% balance for passage way of Barangay Health Station in the amount of 80,000 and BDRRM training taken from 70% of 5% balance in the amount of 20,000.
Mr. Chair,
Recognize Honorable Idusma.
Barangay Resolution number 20 series of 2005 of Barangay Kanipungan proper. I move first to second reading, Mr. Chair.
There's a pending motion of Honorable Idusma. Barangay Resolution number 20 series of 2025 of Barangay proper, duly seconded by Honorable Balais. In remarks, none, from first reading to second reading is hereby approved.
Letter B, Barangay Resolution number 31, series of 2025 of Kanibuan proper. A resolution revising the annual investment plan 2025 to include Kalahi sub-project, which is installation of solar street light from 20% balance in the amount of 200,000. BDRRM training taken from 70% to 5% balance in the amount of 20,000. Passageway of Barangay Health Station from 20% balance in the amount of 80,000.
Recognize Honorable Butchungan.
Barangay Resolution number 31 series of 2025 of Barangay Kanipungan proper. I move from first to second to third, and final approval, Mr. Chair.
There's a pending motion sponsored by Honorable Butchungan from first to final approval. Barangay Resolution number 31, series 2025, Barangay Kanipungan proper, duly seconded by Honorable Balais. In remarks, none, motion is hereby approved.
Letter C, Barangay Resolution number 2025-11 of Mahikay, resolution to reprogram amounting to 45,000 from the 20% of 2024 annual budget for additional materials recovery facility to serve the 3 boroughs of Barangay Mahikay to the Misamis Occidental.
Chair.
Recognize Honorable Balais.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Barangay Resolution number 2025 -11 of Barangay Mahikay, and move from first to second to third, and final approval within our internal rules and procedure. Honorable Chairman.
Moved by Honorable Balais, duly seconded by Honorable Lumbay, Honorable Butchungan. Barangay Resolution number 2025-011 of Barangay Mahikay, from first reading to final approval. In remarks, none, motion is hereby approved.
This is for the day, second reading, letter A, Barangay Resolution number 28-2025 of Silumon. A joint resolution to reprogram an amount of 321,000 taken from unappropriated balance of CY 2024 for priority project of solar dryer of Silon to the Misamis Occidental.
Mr. Chair.
Recognize Honorable Lagi.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I move resolution number 28-2025 of Barangay Silungon from second to third and third to final approval, waiving our internal rules. So move, Mr. Chair.
Honorable Chair. There's pending motion by Honorable Lil Bilagi, Jules Candel by Honorable Bujugan, Honorable Parvino. Barangay Resolution number 28-2025, Barangay Silongon, from second to third and final approval. Any remarks? None. Motion is hereby approved.
Barangay Ordinance number 1, series of 2025 of Basira, or ordinance prohibiting individuals or groups from hanging out and conducting activities such as loitering and drinking of liquor at the diversion road of Barangay Basira from 9:30 p.m. to 5 a.m. and providing penalties for violation thereof.
Submit na ba ang bago? Ang copy?
Wala. Mr. Chair.
I-recognize Honorable Lagi.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Item B, Mr. Chair, of the second reading is Ordinance of Barangay Basira, Mr. Chair. And the item C is Barangay Ordinance also from Barangay Sintronapo, which is same ordinance, Mr. Chair. As requested or suggested by the members of the two committee, Mr. Chair, the Committee on Public Safety and Committee on Laws, that their ordinance, Mr. Chair, is the time is 9, the curfew time is 9:30 to 5 p.m., Mr. Chair, which is contradict to the local ordinance which approved few years ago, Mr. Chair. Therefore, the committee members suggested that the curfew time was is wala lang, Mr. Chair, control na lang, considering na naman tayo time for curfew 10 to 4, and then, Mr. Chair, dili na lang kay as suggested by the members na dili lang 10 to 4 ang himo nila nga ordinance, kundi all
Basta na public disturbance.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Then Mr. Chair, only Barangay Sintronapo naka-comply sa atong gihangyo nga approval ang mga ordinance, Mr. Chair. So,
Ipinding mo sa
ang ipinding lang doon,
Masira.
Masira. So, therefore, Mr. Chair, may I request the Secretariat to read the complete or the ordinance of the Barangay Basirang, so that the members of this august body can remarks or any manifestation with regards to the ordinance of Barangay Sintronapo, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Before tayo proceed sa letter C, Honorable Lagi,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
please, motion po Barangay Resolution of Barangay Ordinance Barangay Basirang, ato pa muna ipinding.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, item B, Mr. Chair, the proposed ordinance of Barangay Basirang number 001 series of 2025, Mr. Chair. I hope that it will be deeper, Mr. Chair, considering that they are not past the requirements, Mr. Chair.
Lay on the table.
Lay on the table?
Lay on the table.
Lay on the table, bawal sa kalendar daw.
Pinding lang sa.
Deeper, Mr. Chair.
Okay, Honorable Lagi, Julius Candid by Honorable Bujungan, motion is hereby approved. Letter C.
Barangay Ordinance number 2, dash 2025 Sintronapo, an ordinance prohibiting individuals or groups from hanging out and conducting activities such as loitering and drinking of liquor at the diversion road of Barangay Sintronapo from 9:30 p.m. to 5 a.m. providing penalties thereof.
Please, ma'am, ipasa natin, ma'am.
Moni siya ilang ordinance, Barangay Ordinance number 2, series of 2025, an ordinance prohibiting individuals or groups from hanging out and conducting activities as loitering and drinking of liquor at the diversion road, Barangay Sintronapo, and providing penalties for violations thereof. Title: This ordinance shall be known as the Diversion Road Curfew and Conduct Regulation Ordinance of Barangay Sintronapo. Section 2, prohibited acts. It shall be unlawful for any individual or group to 1. Loitering or hanging out without valid purpose. 2. Drinking of intoxicating liquor or any alcoholic beverage. 3. Conducting any activity that may cause disturbance, obstruction, or endanger public safety. And 4, minors are not allowed from 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. Section 3, exemption. The following shall be exempt from the provision of this ordinance. A. Emergency responders, barangay officials, and law enforcement officers in the performance of their official duties. Letter B. Residents of the area passing through or returning to their homes. Letter C. Individuals with valid reasons such as work or emergencies, provided they can present appropriate identification or justification. Penalties. A person found violating this ordinance shall be subject to the following penalties. First offense, verbal warning and community service of not less than 2 hours. Second offense, fine of 500 pesos or community service of not less than 4 hours. And third and succeeding offenses, fine of 1,000 pesos and or community service of not less than 6 hours, subject to the discretion of the punong barangay. Refusal to comply may result in temporary detention or referral to higher authorities as appropriate. Section 5, Implementing Authority. The Barangay Tanods, in coordination with the Barangay Peace and Order Committee and the Philippine National Police, shall be tasked with the implementation and enforcement of this ordinance. Section 60, paragraph close. If any part or provision of this ordinance is declared unconstitutional or invalid, the other provisions not affected thereby shall remain in full force and effect. Section 7, effectivity. This ordinance shall take effect immediately upon approval and posting in at least 3 conspicuous places within the barangay.
Okay, thank you. Any for discussion? Barangay Ordinance number 002-2025 o Barangay Sentro na po. Any clarification? Any remarks?
Mr. Chair,
Okay, recognize Honorable again.
the Honorable Mr. Chair, yung na po with regards to the penalty, Mr. Chair, si Honorable Paruhinog, Mr. Chair, katubang third offense nga 1,000 and discretion of the punong barangay, Mr. Chair. So may ninyo what is the pressure of the members of the
Hindi
Ombudsman.
siguro butang discretion ng punong barangay.
Oo, mamayang tingin, Mr. Chair, kaya ko naman, di ba? Or discretion of the court, no? Oh, okay, Mr. Chair.
Okay, Palio, please, Secretary, later, the final penalty, third offense.
Third, on succeeding offenses, fine of 1,000 pesos and or community service of not less than 6 hours, subject to the discretion of the punong barangay.
Kung hindi siya makahatag ng 1,000, 6 hours na community
Yes.
service.
But-
Discretion sa barangay, kung penalty ba siya, kung hindi siya patang discretion, kaya siya may papilion. Hindi
Yes.
ang barangay captain mo magbuot.
Oh, yes.
O if ever, kung gusto siya magbayad ng 1,000, huwag siya ikabayad, and then, ato siya sa community service. Dili ang kapitan mo yung sorry.
Third offense. Pagkago na ito, Mr. Chair, ito. So, ini
Any further clarification and remarks on Barangay Ordinance sa Barangay Sentro na po? None? Any motion to proceed to final approval to third reading?
Mr. Chair,
Okay, recognize Honorable Lagi.
thank you, Mr. Chair. Barangay Ordinance number 002-2025 o Barangay Sentro na po, Mr. Chair. I move from second to third and final reading, Mr. Chair.
Honorable Lagi, Judicial Leader Honorable Bujugan, Honorable Idusma, Barangay Ordinance number 002-2025 o Barangay Sentro na po from second to third reading is hereby approved.
Letter D, veto message for letter from the Municipal Mayor Stella Castaño dated September 17, 2025. Respectfully returning the Municipal Ordinance number 25-35, an ordinance prohibits setting the rules and regulations for the use of the tennis court with comments, suggestions, and recommendations.
Okay, any motion?
For third reading.
For third reading, nabalik ni siya na to second reading kay na may suggestions and remarks ang ato ang gibituhan ng ordinance and Honorable Mayor base sa ang recommendations nga medyo gamay ra amount ng atong gibutang kabahin at bitaw na ay magpanula diha ng petitional kay kung mag-assign ka o job order medyo gansi magalitan kapada ta sa empleyado ng ating i-assign. So, kanina po, during the day sa mga invitational pa itong magpahigayon o mga private ito ng mga organizations na magpahigayon o tournament niya sa province.
Mr. Chair.
I-recognize ang Honorable Sumaba.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. We have a message for the letter from the Municipal Mayor Stella O. Namio, dated September 17. Regarding with this ordinance number 25-35, an ordinance imposing fees, setting and rules and regulations for the use of the tennis courts. I move from second reading to third reading, Mr. Chair.
Okay, there's a pending motion by Honorable Sumaba. It is pending motion? Just stated by Honorable Idusma. Any remarks? None. Motion is hereby approved from second to third reading. Third and final.
Mr. Chair.
Okay, remarks, Honorable.
No, Mr. Chair, naaya ko yung for sika third Mr. Chair.
Okay, proceed, Honorable Idusma.
Resolution number 20 series of 2025 of Barangay Katiwang Proper. I move sika third and third and final reading, Mr. Chair.
From second to third and final approval. Idusma, duly seconded by Honorable Balais. In the remarks, none. Motion is hereby EBC matters, Honorable Centillas, any update?
Honorable Chair, good morning. Last issue, di ba nakaka? Okay. Napil sa aming minutas, Honorable Chair, of the recruitang basi kuan kanang atong mga
Regarding sa scheme, Mr. Chair, we have participated, successfully participated the month-long celebration dito sa provincial level, Mr. Chair, with a positive outcome, Mr. Chair. All our participating teams from volleyball, men's and women's. Ang men's is nakakuha championship. They grab 40,000 na di times 2 ni Gov na imong 80,000 nga prize. Then ang sa women's na imong second placer with a prize nga 20,000 di times 2 po ni Gov. At tanang prizes is di times 2 ni Gov. Na imong 40,000. Then sa basketball same na imong 40,000. Ang sa Mobile Legends 5,000 naman, 2,000 naman tayo na makuha. I-times 2 ni Gov na imong 4,000. So, and na po yung mga special awards nakuha ang ato ang mga teams. Then, usapon, Mr. Chair, naghatag po si Gov og incentive per LGU. So, every LGU makanawat og 100,000 for victory party ba to? Or wala pa na-release ang cash, mo pa mong ginulat. Sa team, every team na kuhan, Mr. Chair, like ilang ikabok, 18 ikabok sa kanila, so kana mo yung igasto for victory party, Mr. Chair. So, upcoming pa schedule or if ma-release na katong incentive na ihatag ni Gov, ayaw pa kung maka-set of date for victory party, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Limbaga. IB matters.
Mr. Chair, good morning. Good morning everyone. Mr. Chair, katong pangayong resolusyon bahay sa tourism, wala pa malunsad karon pang Wednesday tungod kay adtong previous Biyernes na ako yung mga activity nga series. Wala gid pagkasabado, i-invite ko sa BT, incorporated sa Amis. Wala gihapon ni Domingo wala. Mao tong karon adto na ko sa laon yang hapon. Wednesday ako magpahigayon ko para mabuhat mo itong resolusyon na support.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Alubay. Please kung talaga pa itong mapa ng recommend during sa committee level. na kung imapas or kita na part ng nila kung saan at ang ancestor divinity ang nakuha ka ito the honorable
Nagkuyog ko ni Kuano, sa ipinimilan sa pwede ko siya dito minagat itong Huibis. Akong ipawala ko otro, magsulat siya sa region at kung mismo yung papel niya kung makakuha siya sa region. Ako siya lihan niyo, murag yung kami siya.
Thank you, Honorable Lubay. Other matters? Recognize Honorable Ms. Don and next to follow Honorable Parmino.
Okay, daghang salamat Mr. Chair. Ako ang concern Mr. Chair no. Kanibang atong sound system. Yes, ato ang lugar ato ang LGU no. Pero wow kay paminawon Mr. Chair. Makapanghatag ta og pilay amount by the million sa nanguban tapos kita kapalit og tarong nga sound system. Kanina or every Monday atong gamiton kaya pagkahuman na ni nilad kayo paminahon. Wala. Dugay kay mahusugda ng activity kay wala pa gali nang muntar tapos kapaw-pawong pa nang atua dihang sound system. Di kata makahangyo ani kay dungog baya ko sa atong lungsod siguro nga nindot ang sound system. Di na ta kinahanglan nga mangabang no? Ato lang gamiton nun every Monday. Kung napay laing mga event gamiton na nato dito para kapat-pat nga sound system itong gamiton. So ako muna akong concerned yun Mr. Chair na hinauton ta mabudgetan ng insakto.
Okay, thank you Honorable Ms. Don. During sa budget hearing, ato nang i-recommend during sa budget hearing sa executive department kay sila rin makapurchase na mapalit kita brand new na sound system intended for flag raising ceremony gamito na ito. Dito sa inyo nila.
Kinabaratuhan Mr. Chair natay ba kung rolling ron na niya kinabaratuhan ng daog si leading. Bahala basta maayo yung quality.
Okay, thank you Honorable Ms. Don. Other matters, recognize Honorable Palomino.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Ako lang ito for information na ito about sa local health board itong October 1. Na good news and bad news. Yun. Ano na kong good news? Nagplano si Inday Pagkat nga tagaan o one lifetime insurance sa mga DSW. Ilang kong gi-appeal karon sa kuan ba budgeting. Hopefully, Honorable Chair nga masig ma-approve na to o almost nga 20,000 man kay out of 120 ka sa bulyo din. Dayon kani nabigi isa ka problema nila na kung Taiwan case karon for leprosy. Yung dili ba kuno ni si patambal sa diris Alexio.
Okay, curable naman kasi ano kay tambal.
Oh, dili ko magpakita mo nang basig nakabalo mo kinsani nga ako.
Di adoon sa mga ambits na
Oh, dili ko no mga Honorable Chair, dili salagman ako no kay mo anak dia nga.
Asa man sa Leditig Hospital? Mars?
Ambot basta kay natay iwan case nga leprosy sa
Malifot. Makon na nila on Mars.
Hopefully
Hopefully sa medical center.
Hopefully ako lang
i-backing man na diri sa Alexio kung na-report na dito.
Oh. Muna sa RHU Honorable Chair ang sa teammates na isa pud ka problema gyapon. For information gyapon nato ni nagproblema ko ang teammates kung asa nila ilabay ilang wish sa kanat. Oh,
Dito na sa Monday.
karon ilang gisudlan ang baril na. Ang baril na gisudlan nila sa ilang wish kanan.
Magkama data dito sa Tunagutan Settlement.
Yes.
Nay portion dito nga kalutang intended na ni Portudilla Hospital ang RHU.
During sa meeting Honorable Chair walang sige sa ang naa si Kuan Ra at administrator. Din karon hopefully nga maksyonan tong administrator kay problem yun nila kay naging na-stack na daw ang mga baril. Wala na sila kabutangan.
Wala pa mo pinakuan.
O hopefully nga mama-aksyonan to sa ni Honorable administrator kay wala na sila nagchat-chat. Yun last, nabigi-isa ka problema gyapon. True kirop sa Association Barangay Council. Kana kuno pasyente nga dalon dira sa teammates IBC. Kinahanglan ang voucher dili kuno hubog. Kay magdala kuno voucher hubog. Kay na kuno one case namatay ang pasyente sa CR. Kay voucher hubog, nakatulog.
Dali mo lang tambalan nahubog ng pasyente babanggan.
Mo ni rason. Hoy nga si ang report sa Dr. Bistura. Ang voucher kuno please. Ayaw lang kuno ng hubog, padala. O gikirot sa mga barangay kampo.
Kukuha pag-urlayan niya makabantay.
Ambot lang, basta mura ginay mo na ipaikalon yung
Wala
tungkol
na
sa
magbantay. Ang kapitan na magbantay. Hindi man ako.
Kana, pwede ko na. Sana ka lang yun.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Prohinog. Sa mga concern na inindot, na positive, na negative, pero at least ma-result na ito na sa mga dam. Okay, Honorable Budjungan.
Ano ba sa regarding sa WhatsApp? Hindi na pwede mag-admit na WhatsApp o palitan nagsurog na ita.
Pwede, panggalit ko yung WhatsApp, Honorable Mix.
Last year,
Ingon ni Honorable Budjungan, Honorable Prohinog, ipre ko na pwede pag-WhatsApp o magsulo ra. Mo request rin ko na siya nurse dira, labi na ka ng guwapa nga nurse.
Dili pwede, no?
Dili pwede, Honorable. Recognize, Honorable Miss Don.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. Ano lang, makutala lang ko about ba ito yung lifetime insurance
Yes.
with W? Like one payment.
One ra.
One payment, the lifetime na na siya.
Kay
Hindi na insurance.
ambot ko palo mo yung i-propose ni Doktora Bagkat karon. Almost 160,000 ang iyang gi-target. Out of 120 kami sa W, 160 ang accredited. And the rest is di-apply
Basta life insurance, dili lifetime.
Oh, basta one time insurance lang na budget one time.
One time payment.
One time di. Naakaroy namatay nga MSW, wa ka buok pero ngayon wala ito niya moy buyan kayo, wag mo kunoy na nadawat.
Mr. Chair.
Mo kay plano ni Doktora
Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you. Honorable Wilson, okay na? Okay, Honorable Wilson.
Mr. Chair, kan bang life insurance o lifetime insurance na siya, mas maayos sila ito ng CBO.
Hindi, mangutana lang ta kayo.
Mangutana lang tayo.
Wala may lifetime insurance, kaya imong edad nagtaas. So, kaya yung insurance na ito berit na age limit lang. Kaya kung i-enroll na ito na sige sa cancer insurance na. So, kung na siguro one payment, one year payment, 1 year na siya, average niya.
pero wala sayang kung
Ay, sa vaccine na, pero magbayad mo ng vaccine ka na po.
Mr. Chair,
Okay, recognize Honorable Bulaes.
iklaro lang ako, Mr. Chair. Kanibang one-time payment or lifetime na insurance, kining mga CBO based sa mga appointed by the punong barangay. Pagka eleksyon, sunod ka lang. Lakas na katundanan o budaog ang kontra sa ilang kapitan. So, iklaro Mr. Chair.
Naamang ko bala doon sa pinakarta for HW, atong mga appointed nga mga officer sa barangay, dili kita siya automatic ma-represent, dili siya part sa political conflict sa barangay, kuman sa ibang election. Kaya naay mang nakarta ang tanan, pero usahay lagi, makasunod magiging ang politika usahay, pero muna, for consideration, kung hindi siya maputol sa bagong elected nga barangay officials, better. Pero kung ma-arisdan, dili man na. Kaya hindi man kita appointing authority sa barangay. Kung hindi naman may captain naman ang appointing authority sa barangay. Kaya basig mo sa baong ninyo.
Nami-meeting karong October 10, Mr. Chair.
I-update ng siguro may narambol sa mga bati. Base sa nakita mo sa Cebu karon, basig mo sa baong ninyo. So, mo-attend ka December kung ay
Manila.
I-remind lang mo. Isa dito Manila, basta ka year-end, mo-attend ka.
Okay, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair,
Okay,
nalakoy ko yun, Mr. Chair. Ang katuwang sabihin mo sa pasay ito, turnover ka raw.
Sa Friday.
Kung sabi na ito, sa orasa,
Kadlawon.
kung sabi ito sa utol.
Ito lang orange, ito nga yung orange.
Ito itong na. Kaya,
Ikaw na na
I-post lang yan.
ani.
I-post lang
Kung bagong yatag sa DepEd.
At ito.
nag-uwi.
Dito mo tato na.
Kato lang ito sa ton.
Go tayo sa buhay.
Ato ma-advertise ang
Go tayo kayo po.
Kato kay naay buhay sa subanin. So, dali ito mo. Adjustin lang naman, patastasin lang naman ito.
Wala na yung law para ito, sila ito. Lars, mag-utol na order ako.
Okay naman, nurse.
Go kayo man.
Pagwalay lang ito sirit pa. Panuwagi mo na may tila.
Atani.
Ay, ano?
Kasi ito mo na.
Friday na lang, sir.
Friday ha, attend ka sa mga kinasigog.
Sa orasa, morning.
Sa'yo, magwala sa program, kaya nag-aalot ang journey ka naman.
Patawag. Sa kumpitilo po.
Okay, thank you for the matters to discuss. Ini masuk na adjourn, decision.
I move to adjourn.
Okay, mo by Honorable Palomino, seconded by Honorable Santillas, so decision is hereby adjourned.
One TV special report.